Recent changes to Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, tax policies can have a major effect on your finances, with some updates potentially boosting your savings and others posing challenges if not properly understood. The changes cover several areas, including tax brackets, deductions, benefits, and new regulations around digital assets, all of which could impact the amount of tax you owe or the refunds you receive. One of the most significant changes is the adjustment of tax brackets. The federal government has updated income thresholds for various tax brackets, meaning some individuals will find themselves in a lower tax bracket. This could result in a reduction of the amount of income tax owed for those whose income falls within the new ranges. However, it's important to note that provincial tax rates and brackets may also shift, further affecting your overall tax burden. These adjustments could make a notable difference in your tax filings, especially if you experience an income increase or decrease in the coming years. For those with medical expenses, the CRA has introduced increased deductions, which could benefit individuals with substantial healthcare costs. The changes allow a higher percentage of eligible medical expenses to be deducted from taxable income. This may be especially useful for individuals dealing with ongoing health issues or those with high out-of-pocket medical costs. However, it's essential to ensure that the expenses being claimed meet the CRA's guidelines and that proper documentation is kept for any deductions. In a similar vein, the CRA has modified the rules for home office expenses, a key change for remote workers. Previously, employees working from home could claim a flat rate, but now more detailed and precise calculations are required to ensure that expenses are accurately claimed. This means individuals must keep track of their actual home office expenses, such as utilities, internet, and office supplies, and apply these to their taxes based on the portion of the home used for business. While this could lead to higher refunds for remote workers, those who don't follow the new rules carefully may find themselves facing audits or penalties. Another major change relates to the taxation of digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies. The CRA has increasingly focused on the digital asset sector, now requiring individuals to report any cryptocurrency transactions on their tax returns. If you bought or sold digital assets, you must disclose these transactions, as the CRA views them as taxable events. This means that if you profited from trading cryptocurrencies, you could be subject to capital gains tax. Even if you've made small transactions or held assets for long periods, the CRA's stricter reporting rules could lead to audits or tax liabilities if not properly accounted for. In terms of benefits, the government has made several modifications to the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time credit and child tax benefits. While the aim is to increase support for lower-income families, eligibility for these benefits may be affected by income fluctuations, particularly if your income has increased or decreased in the last year. Families who have relied on these benefits may see either an increase or a reduction depending on the new thresholds. It's important to carefully check your eligibility and adjust your tax filings accordingly to ensure you don't lose out on any financial support. Other changes include updates to the rules around RRSP contributions, with the contribution limits being adjusted to account for inflation. This is important for individuals who regularly contribute to retirement savings plans, as the new limits could provide more opportunities to defer taxes and save for the future. Additionally, certain tax credits and deductions have been revised, affecting individuals with specific types of income or expenses, such as tuition credits or business expenses. In conclusion, the new CRA tax changes could significantly impact your financial situation, either helping you save money or creating new complexities that require careful attention. It's crucial to stay informed about the changes that apply to you, gather all necessary documentation, and if needed, seek professional advice to ensure you're maximizing any potential savings and avoiding pitfalls. Tax season may feel daunting, but understanding these updates will help ensure you're well prepared for the changes.
Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the button and subscribe the channel.